Dark spots or acne scars are a common skin problem that can affect anyone. They can be caused by a number of factors, including sun damage, hormonal imbalance, aging, and certain medications. While there are a number of treatments available to remove dark spots, such as laser therapy and chemical peels, these can be expensive and may not be suitable for everyone. Fortunately, there are also a number of natural herbs that can be used to remove dark spots and even out skin tone. In this video, we will discuss 6 powerful herbs that can help you get rid of dark spots naturally. Stay tuned until the end to find out how to make an effective herbal blend at home for removing dark spots. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more health and beauty tips. Herbs are a great way to improve your health and well-being naturally. They are packed with nutrients and antioxidants that can do wonders for your body and mind. One way to enjoy the benefits of herbs is by making herbal tea. Herbal tea is a type of infusion made from herbs, spices, or other plant-based ingredients. It can be enjoyed hot or cold and is often used as a natural remedy for various ailments. Some popular types of herbal tea include chamomile tea, which is known for its relaxing properties, peppermint tea, which can aid in digestion, and lavender tea, which can promote relaxation. When choosing herbs to make tea, it is important to use high-quality organic ingredients to ensure that you are getting the maximum amount of nutrients and antioxidants. You can also experiment with different herbs and spices to create your own unique blends overall. Incorporating herbal tea into your daily routine is a delicious and convenient way to reap the benefits of herbs for your health and well-being. Now let us explore the 6 powerful herbs that can help remove dark spots and even out skin tone. No. 1. Aloe vera. Aloe vera is a popular herb known for its soothing and healing properties. It contains antioxidants and enzymes that can help reduce inflammation and heal damaged skin. To use aloe vera for dark spots, apply the gel directly to the affected area. Leave it on for 10 to 15 minutes before rinsing. You can do this daily or several times a week depending on the severity of your dark spots. Number 2. Calendula. Calendula is a herb with anti-inflammatory and antimicrobial properties. It can help reduce redness and irritation caused by sun exposure or acne. To use calendula for dark spots, you can use a cream or ointment containing calendula extract. Apply it to the affected area twice a day until the dark spots fade away. 3. Dandelion. Dandelion is a common weed that has been used for centuries as a natural remedy. It contains compounds that can help lighten dark spots and even out skin tone. To use dandelion for dark spots, you can consume the greens in moderation or take dandelion root tea. However, it is important to note that dandelion can interact with certain medications, so consult your healthcare provider before using it. Number 4. Green tea. Green tea is rich in antioxidants that can help protect against sun damage and reduce the appearance of dark spots. To use green tea for dark spots, apply a cool compress soaked in green tea to the affected area for 10 to 15 minutes. You can do this daily or several times a week depending on the severity of your dark spots. Number 5. Lavender essential oil. Lavender essential oil is extracted from the lavender plant and has antibacterial and antifungal properties. It can help reduce the appearance of dark spots and promote healthy skin. To use lavender essential oil for dark spots, dilute a few drops of the oil in a carrier oil such as coconut oil and apply it to the affected area. Leave it on for 1 hour before rinsing and repeat 2 to 3 times a week. 6. Turmeric. Turmeric is a spice that has been used for centuries in traditional medicine. It contains compounds that can help reduce inflammation and brighten the skin. To use turmeric for dark spots, mix 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder with a few drops of water or honey and apply it to the affected area. Leave it on for 10 to 15 minutes before rinsing. Repeat this 2 to 3 times a week to see results. It is important to note that while these natural remedies can be effective in reducing the appearance of dark spots, they may not work for everyone. Additionally, it is important to protect your skin from the sun by wearing sunscreen and protective clothing, as sun exposure can worsen dark spots. If you have severe or persistent dark spots, it is important to consult a healthcare professional or dermatologist for personalized advice and treatment options. They can help determine the underlying cause of your dark spots and recommend the best course of action. There are also medical treatments available, such as laser therapy and chemical peels, that may be helpful in treating dark spots. However, these treatments should only be performed by a qualified healthcare provider. While these herbs can be beneficial for lightening dark spots, it is important to note that results may vary, and it may take some time to see improvements. Consistency is key when using natural remedies, and it is important to use them regularly for the desired effect. In addition to using natural remedies, it is also important to take care of your overall health to promote healthy skin. This includes eating a balanced diet rich in fruits, vegetables and whole grains, staying hydrated by drinking plenty of water and getting enough sleep, exercise regularly, and manage stress through techniques such as yoga, meditation, or deep breathing exercises. If you want to learn more about natural remedies for skincare, check out our other videos on the topic. We have covered a wide range of herbs and remedies that can help improve skin health and appearance. You can find these videos by searching for keywords such as natural skincare, herbal remedies for skin, and homemade beauty products. We would love to hear your thoughts on these natural remedies for removing dark spots. Have you tried any of them? What has been your experience? Please share your thoughts and comments below. And if you found this video helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.